Toyota's audio multimedia system allows you to create personalized profiles for different drivers. Each profile saves individual preferences for radio stations, navigation favorites, climate settings, and even seat positions. Let's start by looking at your Toyota Multimedia System's main interface. From here, we'll navigate to the Settings menu to add a new user profile. Step 1. Access the Settings menu. Look for the gear icon on your screen, typically located in the main menu or quick access area. Tap this Settings icon to enter the system configuration. Step 2. In the Settings menu, look for User Profiles or Driver Settings. This option may be located under Personal Info or General Settings, depending on your system version. Step 3. Select Add New Profile or Create Profile. You'll be prompted to enter a name for the new profile. Choose something descriptive like the driver's name or work profile versus personal profile. Step 4. Customize your initial settings. You can set radio presets, navigation favorites, climate preferences, and seat positions. These settings will be automatically loaded whenever this profile is selected. For automatic profile switching, you can associate your new profile with a specific key fob. While holding your desired key fob, access the profile settings and select Associate with Current Key. This ensures your personalized settings load automatically when you use that key. Your Toyota system supports between 4 to 6 user profiles, depending on your vehicle model and system version. Each profile maintains its own personalized settings, making it easy for families or multiple drivers to share the same vehicle while keeping their preferred configurations. With multiple profiles set up, each driver's personalized experience begins the moment they start the vehicle. Radio stations, navigation destinations, climate preferences, and seat positions all adjust automatically, creating a truly customized driving experience for everyone who uses your Toyota. When Toyota multimedia profiles malfunction, there are several proven solutions to restore proper functionality. Here are the most effective troubleshooting methods. The most common issue is when the system fails to recognize profile changes. This typically appears as settings not switching when you select a different user profile. The primary solution is performing a system reset. Hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen goes black, then release. This clears temporary glitches and restores normal profile switching. For persistent issues, software updates provide comprehensive fixes. Toyota offers over-the-air updates for newer models, or you can visit a dealer for manual updates. Profile data loss often stems from battery voltage problems. Low battery voltage can corrupt stored profile information, causing settings to reset unexpectedly. Bluetooth connectivity problems with specific profiles require clearing the Bluetooth cache and repairing devices. Ensure your smartphone apps are also updated for optimal compatibility. System diagnostics help identify underlying issues. Access the hidden diagnostic menu by holding Menu plus Volume up for 10 seconds during startup to check system health and memory usage. Prevention is the best approach. Regular system updates, monthly profile maintenance checks, and limiting paired devices per profile significantly improve system stability and reduce future glitches.